So I'm outside the bus going through the window to access the back of the washer dryer, which is 240 volt for the dryer and I believe 120 for the washing machine. I'm going to need to clear out the duct here, it looks like, but in the meantime let's stay focused. I've just removed what I believe to be a ground wire, and I'm about to remove this bonding between the ground and the neutral terminal in accordance with this instruction here. You can pause the screen if you want to read this in more detail, or I'll post it on Best Grease Monkey or something. Anyway, if I'm understanding correctly, if I'm going to have separate neutral and ground, I have to remove that grounding link. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to move this green wire and put it down here on this screw. And I'm going to take off these white wires. I believe those are the neutrals, but I don't know if they're only for the washing machine or if they also go for the dryer as well. They don't look anywhere near as big as the red and black wires that I believe are 240 volt. So I'm going to try and do some tracing of those wires using continuity and see what I find out, if they are what I think they are. And suggestions welcome. Thanks.